Hello, I am Ryan, a text-to-speech application from Microsoft. I am going to tell you how the program built by Juan Puentes, Sara Zaitouni, Taylee Hunter and Amaan Miah works. Welcome. The program that our team created has the job to store users and passwords with comments, managed by a master account that can update the settings and create and edit usernames and password pairs. With these usernames and passwords, the user can gain login access to the program but cannot update the master password. The information must be protected, so we used encryption and hashing, allowing the user to select among multiple ciphers in both cases. When the software is executed, it will search for a configuration file called settings.dat. If the file exists, it will look for a recovery mobile number, decrypt it and load it with the rest of the settings into a class in RAM memory. These settings also include the hashing algorithm for the master password, the encryption cipher for the database and some parameters that can be adjusted. If no configuration file is located, the software will create a new one with default settings. The first window the user will see is the login window. The user has the option to log in as the master user. If this option is chosen, and a recovery mobile number exists, the window will show a password recovery button. When this button is pressed, the program will generate a 10-digit password and send it to the mobile via SMS. The user must type the password to log in. Alternatively, if the user has already created usernames and passwords pairs, it will be allowed to use any of these pairs to log in. The main window allows the user to access the settings menu that allows to change the hashing options for the master password. The user is also allowed to change the encryption settings for the database. The second menu available from the main window is Update the master password. This can only be done when the logged user is the master. This form allows to set up a mobile number that can be used to generate a new master password if necessary. The mobile will only be saved if the user types the random 4-digit number generated by the app and sent via SMS. However, the user can save the new password without doing any changes to the recovery mobile number. In the main window, the user can add, edit, or delete usernames and passwords pairs, while adding comments as needed. Passwords can be made visible with the Show button. The program features hashing for the master passwords with multiple user-selectable algorithms, including SHA-512, SHA-384, SHA-256, SHA-1, and plain text, for academic purposes. Symmetric encryption, using DES, 3DES, AES and Rigendale, with multiple key length choices, and CBC or EBC modes when supported by the cipher. Asymmetric encryption, using an RSA key pair, self-signed with OpenRSA. Before saving, the database is encoded using base64. The user can reset the master password using a phone where the application can send a new password in an SMS. And the number of usernames and passwords is only limited by the amount of RAM installed. The development was done using Visual Studio and cryptographic libraries for Visual Basic that are well documented with examples in the MSDN libraries.